the Hedgehog takeover here at Crayola, and I am going to create some really fun canvases using Crayola crayons. Now you might have seen this technique before, but we've had so much fun and we wanted to create something to go over our fireplace. So what we've done is we've arranged 120 Crayola crayons in rainbow order, and I just found a link online to do that. And so what I'm going to do is take my favorite glue gun here, and I've got some 12 by 12 canvases, and I think it's going to take about 3 of them. So I'm just going to add some lines of glue like this. I'm going to do a few kind of lines at a time. Just put my glue stick in, and I've preheated my glue gun ready to go. So like this, and this is a no drip or a dripless glue gun. And then all I'm going to do is take my crayons like this, and I'm going to line them up with the edge of my canvas. So we have our 3 canvases, and as I was gluing along, I actually preferred having the Crayola at the front on everything. So my first one was a bit more kind of higgledy-piggledy, and you could see the names of the crayons, which is fun too, but the others I decided to have my Crayolas at the front. So now we get to do the fun part. I have a heat tool. You can do this with a hairdryer on hot, it just takes much longer to do, but the heat tools, this is the Wagner one, this works really well. If you've got a Ranger heater tool, you can do it with that. I stood this up on the back crease with some glass jars, but we're going to heat this and we're going to watch the crayons trickle down. So let's go. so pleased with how they turned out. I mean, I have all three and they're gonna go up above our mantelpiece here. But I think just one of them in a room, just a piece of decor, a kid's room, a playroom, an art studio. There's just so many things you can do. I mean, you could even do this on the front of a card. Wouldn't it look awesome? So I think it's a really fun idea. I hope you'll try it out at home. Thanks for joining me again for another part of the Crayola takeover. Join me for more videos. Hop on over to the Hedgehog Hollow to join us for more inspiration, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.